why this third question is a why question, and we are asked to find in the diagram below, this ty is the tangent to the circle tvs. This circle is named tvs. If svt, this very angle here, svt is 48 degrees, and vs equals st, what is the size of angle VTY? So I have a transcribed diagram to help us better understand the solution proper. Now, this is the angle we are asked to find, this very angle here. That angle VTY, angle VTY. Now, to find the size of this angle VTY is to understand and apply this theorem. And the theorem states that the angle between a tangent to a circle and a chord is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. Now, looking at this transcribed diagram, this angle we are looking for, this marked angle, is between this chord TV and the tangent TY. So this theorem is telling us that this angle is the same as the opposite angle of the angle in the opposite segment. This angle here has the same size as the angle in the opposite or alternate segment. So once we know the size of this angle, we can proceed to find the size of the required angle. So I will start by saying we have already been told that length Vs is equal to St. Please follow the attonation. So that will be what? That's where I will start from. I will say, since length Vs equals length St, and the reason is from the diagram. It has been given in the diagram. Then angle S, then angle STV equals angle SVT equals 48 degrees. Why? Because this triangle is an isosceles triangle. The base angles must be equal. The base angles of any isosceles triangle are equal. So I can quickly write that this angle here is also 48 degrees. And that is what? Base angle of isosceles triangle. So you can just write that in short form. Now moving ahead, I can quickly continue by saying in triangle STV, this very triangle here, in triangle STV, angle TSV, this angle TSV equals 180 degrees minus the sum of the base angles. Base angles. And that will be, and that will give us 180 degrees minus 96 degrees, and that is 84 degrees. This reason is just on remaining angle of triangle, the remaining angle of that triangle STV. Moving ahead with the question, we can therefore conclude, because we have already told us that once we know the size of this angle in the alternate segments, definitely or automatically we have the size of the angle we are required to find. So I can say, therefore, the required angle, which is VTY equals to what? That angle, this very angle whose size we just found, TSV equals to what? 84 degrees. And that theorem, that reason is based on the theorem that alternate angles between the angle between a tangent to a circle and a chord is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. So I can just shorten this reason to be alternate segment. And that ends the third question. There is